is expected. Where? A portion of northern
You
New
got
Jersey,
area flood
including
warning.
the following county, Somerset.
What the heck?
When? Until 10:30 p.m. Wednesday.
Oh my
Impacts,
god.
flooding of rivers, creeks,
Dude,
streams,
already.
and other low-lying and flood-prone locations.
Jesus
is imminent or
Lord,
occurring.
what the heck?
Additional details. At 4:27 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain.
What the heck?
Flooding is already occurring in the Warren area.
Oh my god.
Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of
Dude, what the heck?
0.5
Oh my
inches are
God.
possible in the Warren area. For Lamington River at Burnt Mills, at 3:45 p.m. the stage was...
Dude, there's a thunderstorm outside.
Flood stage is 11 feet. For North
Like, there's a
Prairie River
thunderstorm.
at South Branch, at 4 p.m. the stage was 8.14 feet. Flood stage is 8 feet.
Bro, what?
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering
Oh my
flooded
God.
roads. Most flood deaths
What the
occur in
heck?
vehicles.
Dude, what the heck?
Here are the current conditions. As of 4 p.m. at Central Park, rain and fog were reported.
Jeez.
The temperature was 42 degrees, the dew point 39, and the relative humidity 89%. The wind was...
Bro, what?